This is our T7 multizone CCT controller, compatible with Apple M receiver to realize the function of multizone control. There are 1 touch circle and 12 keys on the remote control. 4 those keys, brightness up and down key, 2 DIY SIM key, 3 city selection keys, and on-off key. Now learn ID between remote control and receivers. Press ID learning button on the receiver for 3 seconds. When the running light is on, press zone key on the remote control. The running light flashes. Zone activate. The idea of other 3 pieces receiver are learned in the same way. Now turn on the controller. Four zones can be dimmed independently. Take zone 1 for example. There are 3 city brightness keys: neutral white, mixture warm white, and warm white. You can dim your brightness by up and down key. Increase the brightness. Decrease the brightness. You can also dim your favorite color temperature on the touch circle. Then long press SIM key to save it. Now we dim to neutral white. Press SIM key. It is the color temperature we dimmed just now.